I love French toast. I'm not really a pancake kind of girl, but I wanted to make it a little more decadent. So the dish that I'm preparing today is a stuffed French toast. My name is Andrea Drummer. I am the executive chef of the original Cannabis Cafe in West Hollywood. The beginnings of this dish starts with brioche bread. When you're making the slit to fill it, go in the center so that you don't tear the top. But even if you tear the top, it's okay because you're going to brûlée the top. It's fine. The idea came from me wanting to just kind of amp up French toast and kind of combine the two things, which is a bread pudding, but also add the brûlée of a traditional crème brûlée. It's really exciting to smell and watch it come together. I'm sure you're going to love it. I hope so. So you create that custard. Tips: be forgiving and enjoy it and have fun because it is a very involved French toast, but the outcome is amazing. And if you make this for a few friends for brunch and have a few mimosas, you can't go wrong. It's better to leave the bread out overnight so it gets a little crusty. That way, when you soak it, the custard doesn't completely macerate the bread. After the soak, you're going to bake it. Meanwhile, you are creating the stuffing. That's the cream cheese, that's ricotta cheese, that's also some fresh strawberries, and you're going to bring that mixture to a whip. When that French toast comes out of the oven, it's going to be piping hot, so it has to be able to withstand the French toast. I would normally eat this dish certainly for brunch. Brunch is literally my favorite meal. It's just that combination of sweet and savory at one time, and then you get to enjoy a cocktail as well, guilt-free. With that, strawberries, a little bit of lemon zest. Then what we did is took a soft whipped cream. We did a chantilly cream, added a little sugar. Then you're gonna whip it to just soft peaks, not stiff peaks because you want it to kind of melt into the French toast. Depending on your oven, they're not all gonna be uniform necessarily. Don't panic, it's okay. Some may be a little lighter, and that's fine. And then you're going to take the stuffing, put that in a piping bag. If you get a tip, make sure it's big so those strawberries can pass through. Then here comes the fun part. You take turbinado sugar, you sprinkle it over the top, and you're going to brûlée it. It's going to smell so amazing. You're going to want to dig in immediately, but hold off. Okay. So then you have a combination of berries, blueberries, strawberries, maple syrup. Gonna mix that together. Gonna drizzle that on top. Oh, the flavor is amazing because you're getting that crunch of the brûlée. You have the richness of this brioche bread, and then you have the creaminess and decadence of the filling, which is not too sweet. And then of course the blueberries and the strawberries, that punch of acidity. Amazing. You're gonna love it. Your friends are gonna love it, and they're gonna be beating down your door for brunch every week.
Oh, yes!